How's it going today? We are live with Daniel Cho. Oh, sorry, that way. Daniel Cho and Nathan Bokers, guys. Thank you. We're just popping in, giving you guys some value bombs today. If you guys are watching live, hashtag live. If you watch replay, hashtag replay, and let us know where you're all coming from. We want to show you guys some of the amazing results our students have been doing in the past 2 weeks, guys. It's absolutely insane.
Today, me and Nate want to show you the one skill that our students are using to turn their business around, okay? So today, we want to show you a couple examples and also give our students recognitions that they deserve, okay? So let's get started. Nate, let me pop this up. Just talk about a couple students when they started with us as a complete beginner. Okay, I want to show you their results in promoting our program first. Then I want to show you how they took what they learned inside our program to other businesses. So Nate, you start first. Let's talk about Kathy, okay?
Kathy, guys, she just started with us a while ago, and it was absolutely crazy. It was like within the first, the first couple of weeks, she got her first sale with us. It was absolutely insane. Like, she shows up to all the coaching calls, right? And it comes into our Telegram chat, pretty much where all the magic happens. Everybody gets their answers, and she had to drop this and say, woo, I got my very first high ticket commission.
This is another one, Robert. Talk about Robert. You're a top student, Nate.
Yeah, Robert's doing freaking amazing. Guys, he literally got paid out over $2,500 while he was on vacation. It was absolutely insane. This guy, he's literally one sale away from earning this $10,000 EIE award, and I cannot wait to send this to him. He's been working his butt off, and I'm pretty sure it's going to happen this week. So, Robert, this guy, he came into our program absolutely brand new and is about to cross $10,000 with our freaking program. It's insane. Go follow him. If you guys aren't going to follow him, go follow him. Robert Hughes.
Talk about Simran, Nate.
Simran, of course, she comes into our program within the first, I think it was 2 weeks. She got her first high ticket sale, and she's absolutely crushing it, right? Like, she's done over, I think, $6,000 with our program already, right? And she's just pushing, going for that 10K award herself.
This was Salvatory back in July 29th, 2022. Okay, Salvatory started with me and Nate back in May 2020. So this is about almost 3 months. Okay, 3 months after learning from us, started from complete scratch. And Salvatory yesterday, right? So this was last year. So he made his first 10K online in 86 days. And fast forward to today, not only Salvatory is one of the coaches on Wealth Warriors coaching team, but Salvatory right now is making about 20K each per month. Last month, he was on his honeymoon, right? That week, Salvatory pulled in about $13,000 in 1 week. But this was when he started as a complete beginner with us back in last year. Next one.
Well, yeah, Brandon's been crushing it, not only with our program, with many programs out there online, right? Like, he's crushing it with multiple programs, our programs. He knows how to freaking market. He knows how to get out there. He's another Canadian, right? Brandon, he's just pushing hard, man. Yeah, he's doing absolutely amazing, guys. He comes in just crushing it, made sales with us, made sales with other programs, right? He's dominated. He's done over 20 grand online already himself.
Yeah, Brandon made his first ever 10K online last year when he worked with me and Nate last year. So congratulations, Brandon. Nate, talk about the crazy example.
Oh, guys, here's one we love to talk about. He just crossed this week $10,000 in the last 68 days. 68 days using the methods he himself teaches inside of our program. Using Amazon, he teaches guys literally how to make money from Amazon. No, not using Amazon Associates, guys. He literally shows that proof is there. He's done $10,000 in the last 68 days and 100% faceless. 100% faceless, guys. Absolutely insane, just using the methods that he himself is taught inside of our program, right? That's powerful right there. And the best thing about it is this is reoccurring income, guys.
$10,000 in 68 days, reoccurring income. Okay, next month will be another almost $10,000 revenue for Cameron again. Congratulations, Cameron. We just want to jump on this. Okay, today let me summarize. We show you people when they first got started inside our program, how they get their initial results. We show you people promoting other people's product, not even our product. They're using our strategy, getting results. We also show you people, right? Don't even sell course at all. Just learn right digital marketing skills, took that skills, apply that into their offline business. Like Mitch, he's doing IT business. Jesslyn, she's doing the restaurant business. And also Irene, her family is doing dog breeding business. We also show you people are getting results from offline business. We also show you Cameron, without showing his face, made another $10,000 on Amazon.
And also Mitch just started too. He just started seeing results from the same thing too himself. Same thing the Cameron's doing. So a few of our students are actually starting to see results. So it's quite exciting, right? I love it. It's been a good week, seeing a lot of results for our students, right? And that's what me and Daniel, that's what it's all about. You guys are going to start seeing me and Daniel live a lot more. We got our whole team getting worked in and stuff. So I'm quite excited for what's to come in the next few weeks.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep coming back here and show you. I mean, we basically we are very transparent. We're gonna share with you the challenges that we are going through right now, the strategies that we are using to overcome them, and also show you our students' journey. But here's the bottom line: you already see different people from selling course, without selling course, doing online, doing offline, right? Doing all kinds of business, showing face, without showing face. There are millions of different ways for you to make 10K online, but why so many people cannot get it done? Here's the key, okay? You can promote whatever product you like. Like Cameron, he likes to do Amazon stuff. He can make 10K without showing his face on Amazon. Like Jesslyn, like to grow her restaurant business. You can do any business using the right strategy.
But guys, if you want to work with EIE, guys, we'll have a book a call on this call here, somewhere around here. There'll be a book a call link. Book a call with our team and see if you guys want to work with us. We really are all about our students, right? And there is no other program online today, and I can say that with my hands up, that has the support system that EIE has, and our students alone will vouch for that. So you guys want to hang out with us? Keep hanging out in the Facebook group. Hope you all having an awesome day, and we'll catch you all later. If you guys want to work with us or you want to have any more questions, book a call. Have a great day.
Are we about to relearn from the Freedom Circle? Let me share with you my personal story. 5 to 6 years ago, I tried my best to try and make money online, but I kept on failing. On year number 6, I met Daniel and Nate, the Wealth Warriors, and I started working and learning from them. In the first 11 days, I made my first $1,000. 14 days, I made $2,000 over dollars. By day 30, $3,500. Day 31, $4,100. And fast forward to today, I've not only won 2 $10,000 awards thanks to their teachings and their strategy, but I've just made $17,000 in 29 days. It just tells you what kind of level and degree that these guys will teach you. They literally expose their entire business. They show you everything that they've been doing in their business that honestly I don't find anyone else doing. If you're on the fence and thinking about it, stop it right here, guys. This is it right now, and it's time for you guys to take action.
I think Daniel and Nate really played a huge role in my success.
He is one of the best people I've ever worked with in my entire life. You've helped change my life.
He has been there by my side, answering all the questions I had, literally within like 10 minutes.
This guy knows what he's doing. He's been doing this for a long time. He is super consistent. You know, in this business, you have to be consistent in order to be successful.
I appreciate everything you've done for me, every way you've helped. I mean, your success is my success. It's because of what you do. It is because of you, of where I'm at today and where I'll be going tomorrow.
I watched him for 6 months on TikTok before I decided to jump in. I wish I did sooner. I just made a $2,000 sale in my first month in, and I just found out I may have another one coming right away, and that's only about a month and a half. So this is the time to change your life. Time is now.
Can't talk more highly enough about these two guys and what they do on their coaching call. It's just unbelievable.
In a short period of time, in a matter of months, I've learned so much. I've made my first 2 high-ticket commissions in the same week. You guys have changed my life, honestly.
From day one, he's been there answering any questions that I've had, teaching me lots of great stuff, and he's been there every step of the way cheering me on.
I was able to not only pay for this vacation, but board this ship with a peace of mind knowing that I still had a business running, even though I couldn't connect to Wi-Fi. I was experiencing Disney magic. My business was magically running in the background.